Hey guys, it's me, Tyler, from Turtles with Guns. We're doing paper airplanes, so who can fold the best paper airplanes?
And we're gonna see who they're the farthest.
I am here with Athena from Athena and Ellie, and I'm here with Andrew from Andy MD. Let's get into the video.
Hey guys.
Okay guys, so we have the rules are we have a 10-minute timer.
We don't need that long.
We have 10 minutes.
I told him 5 minutes.
To create, okay, fine. 5 minutes to do the best paper airplane. We got this camera right here. This guy, tall boy, getting the full view. So if we can do a time lapse. Not going to be a very long time lapse. It's 5 minutes. But at the end of the time lapse, we'll show you the most amazing airplanes
and then we're gonna race them.
Yeah, and then we'll race them for how far they go.
See how far they go. After 3 throws.
No,
maybe more. We'll see. We'll see. We're figuring it out as we go. Okay, ready? Time lapse. Okay, so this is the close-up. We got Andrew over here with what are you calling it?
The Hody.
Okay, moving on. Athena, what are you calling this one?
The best airplane. Yeah, look at that, number 8.
Hitting the nail on the head. Okay.
See, if I lose, then sad face. But if I win, happy face. See?
Ah, I see. I see what you did there.
And
I got me with good old straight and true. Straight and true.
This is flipping backwards.
Dude, mine was not that bad. I feel like
it's pretty simple design. All right, ready to go for the races?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, also we're doing 2 airplanes.
we're gonna do one more after this.
Yeah, we'll do another airplane build right after this. Okay, guys, we got it set up here with camera 1 and camera 2. So we're gonna throw the airplanes, see who goes farther. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. The wind is going that way. So we're going against the wind. And we're starting on the rocks. We can start farther back if we want to get like a better throw, but we're starting. The starting point's the rocks. Let's jump into it. Ready.
3.
Set. Straight and true. That's not bad.
That's
better than I thought it was.
I thought
that was gonna go way.
Should we do 2 throws per plane? I mean, just to perfect our art.
But no. Just leave that there. Leave that there. In the plane that goes the farthest out of all the 6 things we do.
Yeah, the camera can't even see that.
You can go.
You're going now.
Sorry, you can't even see that. It's not like right there, behind, like that way. Got like
Wait,
say
can
like
that camera
this
see
far
it?
and to the left.
3, 2, 1. Oh!
You got farther.
Oh, his move. His move.
His was right here.
Okay, hold on. Let me change up the battery. It went straight down.
Yeah.
I win!
Oh.
I was like, I
Well, I think Athena wins the first one.
win!
Maybe.
But we don't know the second one.
By a little bit. Maybe.
Just a little.
Okay, honestly, I thought you
You're
were
out of the way. I'm moving comparison.
That's not even that much. Mine could have gone 10.
That's pretty good. That's like my hand length apart. Okay, guys, we're back.
That's good.
So we're gonna build another paper airplane. This time we have less quality stuff. We got
And it's a little bag.
scratch paper, just random stuff on them. So we're gonna try our best to make a good paper airplane with some of that.
You know, I'm going to try something different
It's
this
gonna
time.
be a little bit harder to do. Can't make the same
Aww.
style. I know you're not going to.
I have an idea.
She might.
I was
Try.
going to.
This time we got 5 minutes.
Time lapse again. Okay, guys, we got the Straight and True 2.0, number 7 still. We got Athena's oddly familiar design.
I know wait, can you grab the other one? I made 2, because they both turned out exactly the same. Every single way I folded it turned exactly the same. But I'm going with this one.
What are you calling it?
The second best airplane.
And then we got the Kruby. Okay, worst airplane of the day was Athena's.
Athena won the first round. I won the second round. Outro time. Okay, guys, so that was making paper airplanes. Don't forget to check out Athena's channel. I think the iCard is either in that side or that side, but I should be putting an iCard for Athena's channel right there, and then Andrew's channel as well. Don't forget to check them out. They post a bunch of different kinds of stuff. Athena does makeup stuff, and I think Andrew does all sorts of stuff, really. Mainly gaming right now. Anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the merch. I worked on that a bit. I did a video, but don't forget to check that out. And I will see all of you in the next video. Bye.